How to create a simple liquid transition in After Effects. Have you ever noticed the cool liquid transition often used in promotional videos or awesome editing? Wondering how to create this effect yourself? Let's jump right into the video. First, create a solid layer using the shortcut Ctrl+Y and pick a color. I will go with purple because it looks nice. Now use a pen tool with the shortcut G to select the solid layer and create a pleasing liquid shape. Just play around and find what looks best. If you are not satisfied with the result, just use Ctrl Z to go back. Great, we have got the shape. Next, add an effect to the solid layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for the Transform plugin and add it to the solid layer. If you uncheck Uniform Scale and adjust the scale height value without fixing the anchor point, it might not look good. So, center the anchor point above the middle. Open the position with the shortcut P and slide it where it was. So like I do. Now it gives a nice result. Let's add keyframes at the beginning and end of where you want to transition. Set a keyframe for scale height at the start with a value under 0. And another keyframe further in the timeline with a high value so it is completely filled. Finally, set the shutter angle for a higher value for a smooth result. And turn on motion blur. And there we go. You've created a very nice and simple liquid transition in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.